Welcome! Are you ready to embark on a career in DevOps? Excellent choice. DevOps engineers bridge the gap between development and operations. In this video, we'll introduce you to the basics you'll need to get started. As a DevOps engineer, you'll be streamlining software development and deployment processes. Here are the essential skills and knowledge areas you should focus on. CI/CD pipelines. Understand continuous integration and continuous deployment. Automation tools are essential for modern DevOps practices. Use tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes to streamline your workflows and ensure consistency across your environments. Scripting and coding. Develop proficiency in scripting languages like Bash and Python. Infrastructure as code, or IAC. Learn about IAC tools like Terraform and Ansible. Monitoring and logging. Use tools for monitoring applications and infrastructure. With these foundational skills, you'll be well prepared to start a career in DevOps. Keep learning and practicing to become a vital part of the DevOps ecosystem.